Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to use your PlayStation 4 controller on Grand Theft Auto 5 PC. First, connect your controller to your computer. You can use a standard USB cable for a wired connection, or if your PC has Bluetooth, you can pair it wirelessly. Make sure your Bluetooth is turned on and discoverable. This initial step is crucial for your computer to recognize the device. Once connected, open Steam and enter Big Picture mode, which is designed for controller navigation. From there, go to the Settings menu and find the Controller Settings option. Within these settings, you'll need to check the box for PlayStation configuration support. This tells Steam to take over the controller's input, translating it for games like Grand Theft Auto 5. With Steam configured, launch Grand Theft Auto 5 directly from your Steam library. The game should automatically detect your PlayStation 4 controller. If not, navigate to the in-game settings, usually under Controls or Input, and ensure that the input method is set to Gamepad or Controller. Steam's robust configuration will handle the button mapping for you, providing a seamless experience. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of Steam or your entire PC can often resolve recognition problems. Also, make sure your PlayStation 4 controller's firmware is updated to its latest version for the best compatibility and performance. For wired connections, using a good quality USB cable can prevent disconnects and ensure a stable gaming experience. Enjoy playing Grand Theft Auto 5 with your PlayStation 4 controller.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.